Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my key I Wanna Be inspired design. All of the nails are the same for this design, so start off by painting all of your nails white. Once they're dry, apply a top coat. Use a dark red to make the outline of a rectangle near the tip of your nail. Make sure to make the top thicker than the two sides. Use striping tape to cover up the inner edges of the rectangle and then apply liquid latex all around the outside. On a makeup sponge, make a gradient with dark orange, medium orange, light orange, and yellow. Dab it onto the uncovered section of the nail and repeat until it's opaque. Immediately remove the liquid latex and the striping tape. Once the first gradient is dry, use striping tape to cover up the outer edges of the rectangle. Apply liquid latex inside of the rectangle created by the striping tape and around the edges of the nail. On a makeup sponge, make a gradient with light pink, medium pink, and dark pink. Dab it onto the nail and repeat until it's opaque. Immediately remove the liquid latex and the striping tape. Seal in your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!